Bandh is a lock, and lock is actually internal knot. Bandh is used for increasing the strength of our body or increasing the strength of our muscles. So the first bandh what we learned is Mool bandh, which is actually pulling of perineal, abdominal, and not abdominal, perineal, gluteal, or even the anal muscles or the genital muscles together, so that we can hold our whole body stiff. So similarly, the second knot or lock which is said in yoga is Uddiyana. Uddiyana itself says that is the upward. So in Ghiran Samhita it is said that Udare paschimam tanam nabhir urdhvam tukaret Uddiyanam kurute yat tat vishrantam mahakhaga. Means when you pull the belly button and around muscles upward, breathe out completely and hold there, that particular lock is known as Uddiyana. And it Vishrantam Mahakhaga means it can have the strength, build a strength of lion and elephant. So you will find that this is a very routine process. Those people who are going for karate or judo or for sparring, this is a very routine process of the bandh. Very important point before going for the process of it. Important point is this should not be performed by pregnant woman. Any surgery right from the knee to the top of the head, it should not be done. Any injuries is there, this should not be done. Further, people who are suffering from hypertension, it is complete no for them. So bandh, it increases the blood pressure. Definitely those people who have high blood pressure, they should not do it, right? If you are suffering from loose motions, no, this is big no for them. If you are suffering from any type of diseases where anemia or having a hypoxia, this should not be done. Okay, so very important contraindications, because this particular bandh will actually bring our diaphragm upwards, and then it will go back immediately, and because of that the part of the stomach can protrude inside, and this can lead to hernia. So people who are suffering from hernia, they should not do this bandh. This bandh is recommended with only the supporter. Very strictly supporter or langot is very important for this bandh, or you should have at least a kind of tug here very tightly, so that when you release the bandh, it should not happen that herniatic protrusion should not happen. Very important contraindications, very important to note it down. Let's go for its process. So for this, you can sit in Padmasana, you can sit in Vajrasana, and here first we have to set the Mool bandh. Let's set the Mool bandh. So Mool bandh, that is pulling up our perineal, anal and genital muscles upward. Not them, but keep your respiration normal. Breathe in, breathe out. You can keep your both the hands over your knees, palms over the knees, and fix them. Take a deep breath. You can see first me doing it, and then you can do it. Okay, we'll do it 2 times. Then you take a deep breath and you breathe out. First Jalandhar bandh, that is the neck lock. And then you can go for the Uddan, which is pulling up the complete abdominal part or the belly button part so that it can touch our upward part of vertebral column. So this way, so you might have observed the sequence of it, very important sequence of it. Number 1 is breathe out. Number 2 is lock, Jalandhar lock. Number 3 is pulling the complete the stomach and tummy muscles backward, taking it upward, and then holding it without oxygen inside the lung. And then while releasing, you have to first note down your own capacity. How much is our own capacity? According to that, you hold it, and after that, release the stomach first. Again, note it down. Release the stomach first. Then bring your Jalandhar Bandha back, and the last is breathe in. Last is breathe in. Let's do it again. Let's keep our hands Mool Bandh set. So first breathe out. Mool Bandh is there. Jalandhar Bandh. And pull your tummy in. Be there as much as possible as per your capacity. All the 3 bandhas are there. It is actually known as Mahabandh, but as for the sake, let's say it has a Uddan Bandh where tummy is in. Your complete muscles are pulled inside. Observe the stretch you have. Release your stomach. Release your tummy. Do not open the Jalandhar lock. Very slowly come back. And now take a deep breath. And release. It is said that if you try this bandh, you are frightening of, or if you are afraid of something, that will go away very fast. Very fast. So it is said that tat grad bandhanat etat uddiyanam visheshata. So this is the most important bandha or lock of yoga. So it is a visheshta, it's a most important one, vishesh bandha of the yoga. Let's do it again. Let's do it one practice. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Lock. So after releasing the tummy, release the Jalandhar and then take a deep breath. Uddan Bandh. You will find after Uddan Bandh, you should take a deep breath because already we have pulled the muscles of our tummy very much, and that's why it's very important to give them the oxygen more and more. Benefits, coming to the benefits of Uddan. Benefits of Uddan, very important. First benefit, your lungs capacity increases like anything. you will find that you can hold your breath and be in the anaerobic condition for more time. Very important. It is also said that it has a very good effect on the capacity of holding of oxygen by the blood. It's also said that everyday Uddan Bandh will reduce your tummy like anything. Very importantly, it actually it increases the digestive juices of the stomach. So people who are doing Uddan Bandh every day, you will find them completely they will get rid of any frightening or any afraid. They will not be afraid of anything. People won't have a digestive problem, and they will have the good huge abdominal strength, and that is what the Uddan Bandh is meant for. It is also said that during the Mahabandh, Uddan Bandh, in the epics they say that there are two orifices, anal and the Brahmarandra, where our pran actually pass away. If you are locking your Jalandhar, you are locking your Mulbandh, and you are doing Uddan Bandh, there is no way to release of our pran, and that is why it is said that it is a kind of increasing your life. That was for Uddan Bandh.